Choose simplified porch details to get the curb appeal you want without blowing your budget. Start by prioritizing function and durable materials over ornate trim and complex geometry. Use a small covered stoop with simple square posts set into concrete piers to provide shelter and a clear entrance without large spans that require heavy beams. Opt for prefabricated columns or post wraps rather than custom milled columns to cut labor and material costs while achieving a finished look. Pour a basic concrete slab or use a compacted gravel base with pavers instead of elaborate poured stone or multi-level decks to save on formwork and skilled masonry time. Keep railings minimal, both for cost and maintenance, by choosing streamlined metal balusters or a single horizontal cable run if code allows, and limit railing runs to the areas where they are required for safety. For the porch ceiling, choose a simple painted plywood or tongue and groove pine rather than beadboard or intricate millwork to reduce finish carpentry time and materials. Common mistakes are overbuilding the porch footprint, adding decorative elements that complicate framing, and choosing high-maintenance materials that look good initially but cost more over time. Building a porch larger than you need increases foundation and roof costs, so match the size to typical use and the house proportions. Adding many decorative brackets, turned balusters, and multiple column styles forces custom cuts and longer contractor hours, so pick a single trim profile and repeat it. Choosing exotic woods or unsealed softwoods without a maintenance plan leads to faster deterioration and higher life cycle cost, so pick rot-resistant or low-maintenance materials like fiberglass columns, cement board skirting, and painted pressure-treated lumber, and plan for simple periodic repainting or sealing. For each of these, keep details repetitive and modular so contractors can work quickly and predictably, and include clear, small drawings or photos when you request quotes so bidders price the same scope. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and compare project ideas and approaches that fit modest budgets. We connect contractors and homeowners and host a discussion community where we share build tips, material choices, and real-world cost experiences to make budget porch construction more predictable for both sides.